AudioKey helps you find a lost processor by showing you where you last connected to AudioKey, so you can retrace your steps. Select Find My Processor from the menu. A map will appear with audio processor icons marked on. This shows the exact location where you last used AudioKey with any audio processor that you have, or that you are a guardian for. Tap on an audio processor to see which one it is, and when you last connected to it. On the map, the blue dot represents your current location. The closer the blue dot is to the audio processor icon, the closer you are to your audio processor. Once you are very close, for example in the same room as your audio processor, you can turn on the Near Field Search. Please note, the Near Field Search function is not available for all audio processors. Tap the audio processor icon, followed by the red search icon. Move slowly around the room. As you move, the red dots on the scale will light up. The more red dots there are, the closer you are to your audio processor. When all the dots are red, your audio processor is very close. Now search around you to find the lost audio processor.